everybody! Today I'll be showing you how to make a watermelon refresher. It's a great drink for the summer, and these are the items you'll be needing today. Some basil that we're going to chop up, a lime, but we'll only be using half, some sea salt, though we're not going to use that much, some chopped up watermelon, 1 cup measuring cup, 2 glasses to serve, and you'll be needing a blender. Today I'll be using the NutriBullet. So first you're going to want to finely chop 2 basil leaves. You can also go ahead and cut your lime in half. So you'll go ahead and add 2 cups of watermelon chunks. Add your chopped basil. Go ahead and squeeze in some lime juice. Just a small shake of sea salt. Now if you want your drink to be a little more cold, or if the watermelon you chopped up was at room temperature, you can go ahead and add 1 cup of ice. And now it's time to blend. After blending, fill the cups with ice, serve yourself, and you can even decorate it a little. Hope it cools you off. See you next time.